How to post story on Snapchat. Well, hi everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video on Official Help Desk. Today let's learn how you can easily post story on Snapchat. So please make sure to follow all of these steps till the end. The very first step is to open your application Snapchat. It will take you to this page. Click any of the picture or the video that you want to add to your story. After you are done clicking the snap, you can edit this picture or the video with the help of these features. Once you are done editing your snap, click on the story at the bottom, and your story will be uploaded successfully. If you want to add your story from your memories, then you need to go back and head over to your memories section. Click on any of the snap from here that you want to add to your story, and then click on send to. The option of my story will be visible to you. Click on it, and then click on this arrow. The story has been uploaded successfully, so let's check it out. Go back and head over to your profile at the top left corner. Here my story will be visible to you. Click on it. There you can see that this is the story that you have just uploaded. So this is the end of the video, and this was the quick tutorial video on how to upload story on Snapchat. I hope you found this video useful. If it does, please make sure to give thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on our next video.